Finally, let's look at our perfect tense and how it's formed. The perfect tense is pretty straightforward. Even when you have irregular verbs, they tend to form the same way as all your regular verbs. The personal endings for the perfect tense are isti, it, and then for the plural, imus, istis, erunt. Now, you'll notice some of these endings are similar to what you've seen before. Third person singular ends in a T. Third person plural ends in an NT. You have your mus for the first plural, and you have your tis for the second person plural. So you're going to notice a couple of similarities across the board. Let's look at the specifics. Every conjugation verb, no matter what it is going to form the same way for the perfect tense. So it's pretty easy. And we're going to be using the third principal part. Notice that sometimes we have a V. This is a very common one, especially for first conjugation, to see this V in your third principal part. That kind of lets you know this is a perfect tense verb. Sometimes you can have the U, as in these right here, and then notice you have a V here again for the fourth conjugation. So all we do is we use third principal part to find our base. We take off the I, and then here's our base, and we add our personal endings. Isti, it. Imus, istis, and erunt. So now you've correctly conjugated a verb in the perfect tense. You have amawi, I loved, or I did love, or I have loved. Amawisti, you loved. Amawit, he loved. Amawimus, we loved. Remember, some of your other ones can be we have loved or we did love. Amawistis, y'all loved, and amawerunt, they loved. And that's it for the perfect tense. It's pretty easy. Third principal part, take off the I to find your base, and then add your personal endings, isti, it, imus, istis, erunt.